In the last video, we learned how to retrieve data from a table. But when we were retrieving the data, all the data from the table was coming. And even if our table had duplicate values, say for example, if 2 or more customers had the same first name, it would have appeared multiple times. So to get rid of these duplicate values and to get only unique value, we need to use the distinct keyword with the select command. Distinct keyword will eliminate all the duplicate records and it will fetch only unique records. This is the syntax for distinct command. Select distinct, mention the column names, one or more, and then write the keyword from and mention the table name. Let us see an example. To retrieve only a single column with customer's first name, we will write select distinct customer first name from the customer table. To get multiple columns, we will write first name and age and get it from the customer table. Let us go and write this in the PG admin window. Right now, if I do select star from customer table, if I run the last query, so overall there is no duplicate value in our table. But if you look at only the first name column, there is G value 3 times, out of which 2 have the same case and the third one has a different case. So if I want to get only the unique first names, I'll need to use the distinct keyword. Let us write select distinct first name from customer table. Take a moment to guess what will be the result of this query. And now let us run this query. So did you guess it correctly? It is giving us only 6 values back. 2 of the duplicate values have been removed. You can see there are 2 different G's still in the retrieved data, but these 2 are different in their case. That is why both these are present in the retrieved data. So let us compare this with the select query without the distinct keyword. This will make it easier to compare. You can see there are 8 entries in the first name. There were 2 G's and 2 J's. One of the J has been removed and one of the G has been removed. So that is how distinct keyword helps us identify the unique value while retrieving the data. Now let us try to retrieve more than one column from the database. We'll write select distinct first name and age from the customer table. Run this query. We get only the distinct values back. Let us see what happens if we run select distinct star from customer table. Run. So you can see the 5th and 7th record have all the values same except the customer ID. Due to this mismatch of customer ID, select distinct was not able to remove this duplicate value. It removes only exact duplicate rows. So let us see, by adding an exact duplicate row, we will rerun the copy statement from above. This will add the 2 rows again. We will run a select star statement once to see if the 2 entries are added. You can see we now have 2 more entries, and these 2 entries are exactly same. So the 5th and 6th entry and the 9th and 10th entry are exactly same. Now let us do select distinct star on the customer table. The 2 new records that we added, which are exactly similar to the earlier ones, will now be removed. Those will not be retrieved. So you see, we have 8 records now. So that is all with the distinct keyword. So in this video, we learned how to get unique data retrieved from the database. So see you in the next lecture. In the next video, we will cover the where command, which is used to filter out the unwanted data from the retrieved data.